Chemical fertilizers are loaded with toxic heavy metals and other poisonous ingredients that can make you sick if used over long periods of time. On the other hand, natural fertilizers are quite easy to make, require only natural, non-toxic ingredients, and are a great way to become more self-sustainable and healthy. Here are 9 amazing natural fertilizers for plants that you can easily make yourself. Let's get to them. Nettle maceration is a simple yet effective way to nourish your houseplants. To create this fertilizer, soak whole nettles in water for a few days until they begin to decompose. Once ready, strain the mixture and use the liquid to water your plants. This natural concoction not only feeds your plants but also acts as a flea repellent when sprinkled on the leaves. Your plants will thrive with this organic boost. Sage infusion is another excellent natural fertilizer for houseplants. To make it, pour 2 cups of boiling water over 2 tablespoons of dry sage leaves. Allow the mixture to steep until it cools, then strain it. Spray your plants generously with this infusion once a week. The beneficial minerals in sage help promote healthy growth, making your plants more vibrant and lush. It's a simple, effective way to nurture your indoor garden. Coffee grounds are a fantastic natural fertilizer for houseplants. Mix coffee grounds with water and pour the mixture onto your plants every 2 weeks. This fertilizer is particularly beneficial for common ivy, promoting vigorous and lush growth. Additionally, mixing plant seeds with dry coffee grounds before planting can result in beautiful, healthy plants. Coffee grounds provide essential nutrients, making them a valuable addition to your plant care routine. Banana peels are an ideal natural fertilizer for both garden flowers and houseplants. Cut fresh banana peels into small pieces and bury them in the soil. As they decompose, they release potassium, which is crucial for plant health. This simple method enriches the soil, providing your plants with the nutrients they need to flourish. It's an easy and sustainable way to enhance your indoor garden's vitality. Wood ash is a rich source of potassium and phosphorus, making it an excellent natural fertilizer for houseplants. If you have a wood-burning stove, collect the ash over the winter. You can spread it in your garden or mix it with potting soil before planting. It supports the growth of flowers and fruits, ensuring your plants receive the nourishment they need to thrive. And it's a practical way to recycle and enrich your soil. Crushed eggshells are a superb natural fertilizer for potted plants. Mix them into the soil to provide essential mineral salts that strengthen plant roots. Additionally, the water used to boil eggs can be cooled and used to water your plants. This water is rich in nutrients, offering a natural boost to your indoor garden. Eggshells are a simple, effective way to enhance soil quality and promote healthy plant growth. Brewer's yeast is an ideal natural fertilizer for houseplants. Dissolve some cake yeast in water and use it to water your plants once a week. This method provides essential nutrients that promote healthy growth. Additionally, using beer to clean plant leaves periodically offers a similar fertilizing effect to coffee grounds. Yeast is a versatile and effective way to nourish your plants, ensuring they remain vibrant and strong. Vegetal natural fertilizers are a sustainable option for houseplants. Dried bean leaves and stalks can be burned to create mineral-rich ash, which can be mixed into potting soil. Similarly, rhubarb leaves left to rot in the garden provide an excellent natural fertilizer. These methods recycle plant waste, enriching the soil and promoting healthy plant growth. It's an eco-friendly way to support your indoor garden's vitality. Red wine, when mixed with a little water, serves as an ideal fertilizer for potted plants. It provides vigor and strength, enhancing plant health. However, it's important to use wine sparingly to avoid over-intoxication. A small splash goes a long way in boosting your plant's vitality. These natural fertilizers bring natural nourishment and care to your plants, ensuring your garden or potted plants remains lush and vibrant. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more similar content.